May I request the dignitaries on stage to kindly unveil the book.
The time I had, and the women here will know, if you're a working woman, the kind of time that you get when you get back home is with the rains and everything around, whether the kitchen is okay, the clothes have dried, or are you going through the pool to get into your house, are you getting water when you open the tap, or are you getting worms and things like that. Sorted everything out, and after dinner I sat literally for about an hour or so to read. What's happening is, I'm 50 years old, so I'm going through this process of, I can still read without my glasses, but I think I need glasses, but I'm hesitant to go and visit my doctor. So I was trying to read like this, and but what kept me going was the content of the book. Today, I think one thing that people don't have patience for is advice and how to run your life. I think people don't have the patience. People like us, we're all actors. We love our directors because we want direction. If you take me, for instance, I've been acting in films for 30 years. I think that is the most happiest time in my life because I had somebody to tell me what to do every minute, every second. And because we listened to what they had to say, great directors like Balachandra, Bhakiraja, Mahendran, and of course I have a director at home who directs me all the time, Mani Ratnam. So when you have somebody who's knowledgeable to tell you what to do in life, success is all you see. And that's what I saw in the book. There is this man who went away from his values and the place that he belonged, from his tradition, looking for success. But he had to come back all the way to his roots, to a small town like Lalgudi. And it's only the memory of his father which brings him back to earth, to bring him success back again overseas. I was really happy reading a book like that. My son is studying philosophy. He's in third year in Scotland. So I get lectured about philosophy and values by him. The younger generation somehow do not believe in values and morals. We need people like you to bring out books like this to kind of somewhere enhance the fact that values that are kind of given to us from our parents and ancestors through generations are much more important than what you learn through life. There are words like being street smart, being pushy, and being very, very aggressive. These are words that we never heard from our grandfathers and from our fathers. We never heard any of those things, yet we were successful. But today, all that we hear is successful. To be successful, you have to be aggressive. And I love the way that he had what his father, the character Arjun's father, what the values that he had, and what was completely the opposite for Arjun to be successful. Like not to borrow money, and not to expect money when you work. Work sincerely. For everything, the generation had something completely opposite of that. It was like a management class, all the columns and everything, but still for somebody like me who comes from a very rural background, it was an eye-opener, I should say. It was fiction come a kind of an education in his book. I'm only halfway through the book, but I was so surprised to see that there was a mention about Kannadasan's poetry in his, can I have the, I want Dr. Durgadas to tell us which poetry it is. I think it's in page number 249 if I'm right. 249, okay. I'll just read the first 4 lines. What you get out of birth, I asked. You take birth and taste it, said the Lord. What do I have to learn, I asked. You learn and you know, said the Lord. What is the material bliss, I asked. Marry and know. Oh, sorry. What is marital bliss, I asked. Marry and know, said the Lord. What is the old age effect, I asked. Get old and experience, he said. Where do we go after death, I asked. Die yourself and know, he said. If everything has to be learned from my experience, then, oh Lord, what is your road, I asked. The Lord came near me and said, the experience itself is me. I just loved it. And when I realized it was poems of Kannadasan, I was really curious, and I met Durgadas. The first thing I asked him was, which poetry is this? And he gave me the lines in Tamil. It was so wonderful. Really, I think today is a day where we have to remember our roots and where success came from. And I'm happy such a book is being launched, and I hope people my age, people older than me, people as young as my son would read this book and benefit a lot from it. And thank you, Doctor, for writing such a wonderful book. Thank you so much, and wish you all the best.
Thank you, ma'am. We would now like to honor 5 special guests whom we have here this evening with first copies of A Saint in the Boardroom. And may I request Mr. Nataraj, IPS, to kindly do the honors. The first special guest, Mr. Narasya. He was invited to assist the liberation of Bangladesh. He was invited by the World Bank to join the mission of emergency rehabilitation of Cambodia. Today he is with us in the liberation of the soul of our hero, a saint, in the boardroom. We invite Mr. K.R.A. Narasya, retired Chief Engineer, Vizag Port, an award-winning story writer and a literary expert. We welcome you, sir. Thank you, sir. We also have with us a brilliant software engineer by profession, one of the key architects of the success story of TCS, a multifaceted person. I would now like to invite on stage Mrs. Hema Gopalan to kindly receive the honor. Our third special guest today, he created waves in the field of management consulting. He built up the reputation of the management consulting divisions of the A.M. Ferguson and Co. company for more than 26 years on his shoulders. We are pleased to honor Mr. Tilak Shankar, CEO Management Solutions, Chennai. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and welcome Mr. Tilak Shankar. Thank you, sir. We have with us a gentleman who's created landmarks that have become the benchmarks in the field of construction. One of the best brains available in the country in the field of architecture and structural engineering. Please welcome Dr. C.